Finding a new fragrance can be an incredibly frustrating, confusing experience. You walk into the fragrance hall and immediately you're surrounded by a heady mixture of sight and smells. So you turn on your heels and you fall back to the comfort of the same signature scent that you've been wearing since 1995, or you drop £50 plus on something you've only been wearing for the last 5 seconds. And when you think about it, why do you want to commit to one big bottle of the same fragrance? You wouldn't wear the same outfit to a black tie event as you would a yoga session, so why do the same with fragrance? What about a fragrance wardrobe? And this is why we created HOOHAA, a no-nonsense fragrance subscription service that cuts through the noise to deliver small batch, travel-sized fragrances through our customer store each month for an affordable £14.95. And if they like what they buy, they can buy the full bottles from us online with a member's discount.
We're a multi-brand subscription e-commerce platform. Our success lies in the quality of the products that we curate and then deliver to our customers. We want to work with brands that are putting good out into the world that goes just beyond smelling good. Smaller, more independent brands are doing the most adventurous work in perfumery right now. There's also an inherent sustainability tied to the work that they do, simply because of the quantities that they're producing. Our partners are from all over the world: Argentina, UK, Netherlands, Berlin, and Mallorca. We buy fragrance in bulk, and we hand decant that into our beautifully designed Bauhaus bottles, all in the town of Malden in Yorkshire.
We launched at the end of March last year. We've raised $150,000 to date, and we've done what we said we would. We've now got over 500 subscribers, generating 7,000 monthly recurring revenue. We're growing at 18% month on month. And our weighted customer acquisition cost is currently at £35 with a lifetime value of £92 and growing. Fragrance is a big category. It's forecast to be worth 45 billion globally in the next 5 years, growing at 5.5% per annum, forecast to be worth 2.6 billion alone in the UK. The pandemic has forced customers online, and couple that with the closure of many bricks and mortar stores, there's just not that many places to buy high quality fragrance anymore.
The growth between 2019 and 2020 online was 45%. Consumer behaviour has fundamentally shifted for good, and we expect to see online growth continue. Sales in US mass fragrances declined by 50% to $600 million, as pricier perfumes climbed 16% to a record high of $5.2 billion. There's no doubt that the future of fragrance is in premium, right where we play.
So we've proved our concept, and we plan to use the money from this fundraise in 3 main areas. Firstly, we want to scale our marketing. We're confident we can use the learnings from the last 9 months to scale budget efficiently across influencers, PR, and paid media. We also want to invest in our technology platform to become more data-driven, more intelligent with our customer recommendations, and use the insights to drive our own product development pipeline. We plan to expand our range, offer more choice, and invest more in our exclusive collaborations, or HOOHAA editions as we call them. And lastly, we've got some great investor perks. So let's just say, if you invest with us, you'll be the best smelling people in any room you walk into.